Let's be honest, nobody's more protective of your newborn than your dog.
Yeah. That was so cute. Oh my god.
Hi, Riley. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. You brought us a toy. Oh, look at that little boy. Where's that little boy? Aw. He's so cute. Thank you, Mom. You're welcome.
Her laughter might just be the one thing that can get him to do anything.
But she is so gentle.
It's a baby. Oh, I'm trying to give a fall. And a baby. And it's completed. What is happening? Are you giving her a haircut?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. Sit. Sit. Now jump. You ready?
Being paid off after a long day of being a free bodyguard like this sounds pretty good.
I guess he's grown up enough to babysit now.
Ja, det är sisten.
Ready, want to go to sea. Do da do do do. I do da do da do 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 da do. I do da do da do. I do da do da do do.
First lesson for the little ones. You can't eat alone in front of your bestie. The cow's like, hey Dad, I just want to hold hands with her and play too.
You love Thor. He loves you too.
That's your puppy.
Goat home. We bring him home. Aw, do you like him?
Good. Oh, it'll be good.
I'm not hurting her. I'm trying to make her burp. Magoo.
Zoomies are special. They do it only when they feel comfortable in their own skin.
Oh no.
Handle this cuteness. How about you?
Is it playtime?
No.
Is this your baby? You better play with your baby. We got her just for you.
Who says pit bulls aren't good with kids? They have a natural talent for playing with children. When a tiny human suddenly shows up and starts taking all of Dad's attention.
Mally, stop eating her hair. Oh my God, Gia. Oh my God, no.
Next time, read the Freddy reminds me.
Pink, is that your buddy? Is that your buddy?
She's
No,
choking
he's
him
not.
or her?
Giving him scratch. Oh, I'm gonna bite you now. I'm gonna bite you now.
Don't let your baby play with a dog. They'll get exhausted from laughing non-stop.
And the baby say good morning to the baby. Oh, I say good morning to those baby toes.
Looks like he's found something even better than pup cups.
Ranch, that's great. I love baby toes.
just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Looks like someone's not ready to share Dad yet.
Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty. Extended warranty.
Look at him.
Oh my goodness, he looks so cute, buddy.
Give them my glasses.
Did you put glasses on him?
Eu pergunto a vocês. Tem quem aguenta? Tem quem aguente um negócio desse? Tem quem aguente, pelo amor de Deus? Tem quem aguente o negócio...
Just a little trick is enough to make her giggle.
He just made such a kiss.
Baby, get the baby.